For many parents out there, raising children, especially young children, can be brutal. It's like being thrown into a professional boxing ring for a wrestling match with younger, more energetic versions of yourself that never ends. And it is extremely normal for parents to feel completely overwhelmed by the amount of never-ending hard work that they need to be putting in, and by how fast life can seem to be racing by because of how little we get to stop and enjoy all of the pleasures of life the way we used to be able to. So I want to offer you a way to look at things that you will be able to accept and really appreciate your day-to-day life no matter how hard things get. You see, it doesn't make sense to be worried about not enjoying life to its fullest when your afterlife is going to be 1,000,000,000 times more enjoyable than any pleasure you could possibly be getting down here. So it's like when you go to the gym to work out for an hour. Nobody's gonna be upset if the hour goes by too fast because everyone understands that it's something that you just want to get over with. And really, all we care about is the results. And the truth is that this world is just like a gym. And Hashem is just like our personal trainer, who is constantly sending us struggles that we need to overcome in order to earn fantastic reward in the next world. So our focus should always be on the results, which we will only experience in the next world. And so if you find yourself working really hard and your life is racing by, then that could only be a good thing, because after all, you're in the gym. But the only thing that you should be concerned about is making sure that you are utilizing your time in the gym correctly to do the right workouts so that you aren't just wasting your time in this world. But luckily for you, the thing that you are busy with is raising children, which is something that Hashem definitely wants you to be doing. So you can be confident that you are fulfilling your purpose on this world. In which case, the faster that your life goes by, the better, and the sooner you'll be able to cash out all the incredible reward for all the hard work that you are putting in.